PowerCAD possesses several advantages. Firstly, it's an industry standard for electrical design. Secondly, it offers a powerful and comprehensive feature set. Thirdly, it includes an extensive symbol library. Fourthly, it boasts excellent documentation and support. Fifthly, it supports industry-specific standards such as the National Electrical Code or NEC. However, PowerCAD also presents some disadvantages. 1. It has a steep learning curve for beginners. 2. It can be expensive, especially for small firms. AutoCAD Electrical also has both strengths and weaknesses. Advantages of AutoCAD Electrical include: firstly, it uses a familiar AutoCAD interface. Secondly, it's integrated with other AutoCAD products. Thirdly, it contains an extensive library of electrical symbols and tools. Fourthly, it supports parametric drawing and automated tasks. Fifthly, it's relatively easy to learn for existing AutoCAD users. The disadvantages of AutoCAD Electrical are: firstly, it may lack some advanced features found in PowerCAD. Secondly, it has limited support for industry-specific standards. Thirdly, it can be slower and more resource-intensive than PowerCAD. There are key differences between the two software packages. The data structure is different. PowerCAD uses a hierarchical data structure, which makes it more suitable for large and complex projects, while AutoCAD Electrical uses a flat data structure. The symbol management is also different. PowerCAD features a more comprehensive and customizable symbol library, while AutoCAD Electrical relies more heavily on industry standard symbols. Standards compliance varies between the two as well. PowerCAD offers better support for industry-specific standards compared to AutoCAD Electrical. The integration with other software is another point of divergence. AutoCAD Electrical integrates seamlessly with other AutoCAD products, while PowerCAD provides more robust integration with non-Autodesk software. In conclusion, both PowerCAD and AutoCAD Electrical are capable electrical design tools. PowerCAD is generally regarded as the industry standard and offers more advanced features and better industry compliance. AutoCAD Electrical is a good option for users who are already familiar with AutoCAD and prioritize ease of use and integration. The choice between the two depends on the specific requirements of the project and the user's individual preferences. When evaluating electrical design software, consider several key factors to ensure the chosen tool aligns with your project needs and workflow. Firstly, assess the scope and complexity of your electrical projects. If you frequently handle large-scale or intricate designs, a software with robust data management capabilities, such as PowerCAD hierarchical structure, might be preferable. This structure allows for efficient organization and manipulation of complex electrical systems. Secondly, evaluate your team's familiarity with CAD software. If your team already has extensive experience with AutoCAD, adopting AutoCAD Electrical could minimize the learning curve and facilitate a smoother transition. The familiar interface and integration with other AutoCAD products can enhance productivity. Thirdly, consider the importance of industry standards compliance for your projects. If adherence to specific standards like the National Electrical Code (NEC) is critical, PowerCAD's superior support in this area could be a decisive factor. Ensure that the software you choose provides the necessary tools and features to meet regulatory requirements. Fourthly, think about the level of customization and symbol management you require. If you need to create custom symbols or modify existing ones extensively, PowerCAD's more comprehensive and customizable symbol library may be more suitable. However, if you primarily use industry-standard symbols, AutoCAD Electrical's reliance on these symbols might suffice. Fifthly, evaluate the integration capabilities with other software you use in your workflow. If you need seamless integration with non-Autodesk software, PowerCAD offers more robust options. On the other hand, if you primarily use Autodesk products, AutoCAD Electrical's integration within the Autodesk ecosystem could be advantageous. Sixthly, consider the cost of the software and the availability of training and support. PowerCAD can be more expensive, particularly for smaller firms. Therefore, it's essential to weigh the cost against the benefits and ensure that adequate training and support resources are available to your team. Seventhly, explore the advanced features offered by each software. PowerCAD is known for its advanced features and industry compliance, making it a powerful tool for complex electrical designs. AutoCAD Electrical, while user-friendly, may lack some of these advanced capabilities. Assess whether these advanced features are essential for your projects. Eighthly, consider the performance and resource intensity of each software. AutoCAD Electrical can be slower and more resource-intensive than PowerCAD. If you're working with older hardware or handling large projects, performance could be a critical factor in your decision. Ninthly, look into the available documentation and support resources for each software. PowerCAD is known for its excellent documentation and support, which can be invaluable when learning the software or troubleshooting issues. Finally, think about the long-term scalability of the software. As your business grows and your projects become more complex, you'll want to ensure that the software you choose can scale to meet your evolving needs. In addition to these considerations, it's also helpful to consult with other electrical engineers and designers who have experience using both PowerCAD and AutoCAD Electrical. Their insights and recommendations can provide valuable perspectives and help you make an informed decision. Also, take advantage of free trials or demos offered by the software vendors to test the software and evaluate its features firsthand. This hands-on experience can be invaluable in determining which software is the best fit for your needs. Another crucial aspect to consider is the software's ability to handle different types of electrical projects. For example, if you primarily work on residential projects, AutoCAD Electrical might be sufficient, while PowerCAD might be more suitable for large commercial or industrial projects. Think about the types of projects you typically undertake and choose a software that is well suited to those projects. Furthermore, consider the software's compatibility with different file formats. Ensure that the software can import and export files in the formats you need to work with, such as drawing or DWG, drawing exchange format or DXF, and industry foundation classes or IFC. This compatibility is essential for collaborating with other stakeholders and exchanging data seamlessly. It's also important to consider the software's update and maintenance policies. Ensure that the vendor provides regular updates and bug fixes to keep the software running smoothly and address any security vulnerabilities. Additionally, check the vendor's maintenance and support policies to understand what level of support you can expect in case of issues. As technology evolves, electrical design software is constantly evolving as well. Therefore, it's essential to choose a software vendor that is committed to innovation and continuously improving its products. Look for a vendor that invests in research and development and incorporates new technologies and features into its software. Before making a final decision, it's advisable to create a checklist of your specific requirements and compare the features and capabilities of PowerCAD and AutoCAD Electrical against this checklist. This will help you objectively evaluate each software and identify the one that best meets your needs. Remember that the best electrical design software for you will depend on your individual circumstances and preferences. There is no one-size-fits-all solution. Take the time to carefully evaluate your options and choose the software that will empower you to design and deliver successful electrical projects.